Good morning. Here we are on June 12th, I think it is today. What you just saw was the update up to now. So we'll take a look around and let's see what we got so far here today. All right, so as you can see here, we've got the dirt all leveled out here in the front or pushed around. No big piles anymore. And we've got a beautiful sunrise coming. Look at that. That's going to be gorgeous to see every morning. But they've got the dirt here. And they started throwing some down here too. So that's pretty cool. You can see they started putting in some supports for the roof. I was over here on Wednesday and I saw them taking up the first truss. And you can see the truss there. And then some supports going across for the roof. And they got a truss up there. That's really cool. All right. Let's see. You got some more supports back there going across. Nice. Very nice. We're getting close to putting that roof on. That's cool. That's the beginning of the CR. So that'll start coming in this way. They've got the kitchen here, kitchen wall framed in with the door. Wife keeps telling me that's a sliding door. But that's going to be all framed up here real soon. Look at the nice sun coming through the kitchen window. Oh, that's going to be awesome. So when you step through here, we'll be out into our dirty kitchen. So they've got some walls put up for that. And up that way. So this section over here is going to stay open. And we'll have a couple steps going down to the side of the house there. But this is going to be really nice. I'll probably end up putting some, well, I don't know if Mom Karen's doing it or I'll do it. Well, we'll put some slat boards up in there on both sides, here and there. Put slat walling up there. That'll look really nice. We'll have the sink there. That's for the sink. And then the washing machine is going to go here. And it looks like they've already got the drain set up for that. So that's going to be good. So we have the washing machine there, plenty of space. So we're going to have a wall. We'll have a wall here, right? And then over here we'll have the refrigerator. And then probably right about in here we'll have a water tank, water cooler. And then over in this area over in here will be the electrical stuff for the solar. We'll see what the back's shaping up to be. But again, man, I'm super happy about the progress. Whoops. Gotta be careful. Ooh. But yeah, again, super happy with all the progress that's being made. Yeah, I got the back is shaping up really nice. Getting all the dirt back here. Getting ready to push all that down to the side of the house. So you can see last week they had the 3 downspouts there. And now they've got the other 2 put in over here. So that's the 5 downspouts Mom Karen was talking about. And you can kind of see how the back of the house is shaping up. So it's going to be really nice. I can't wait until we get in here and start doing our landscaping after we're done with the build. Because I really, right here on that wall there, I really want to pour a slab and make a nice little like sitting area, eating area for the back here. That'd be really nice. So, but yeah, I mean, look at you got that beautiful sunrise coming through the trees back there. This would be really nice in the mornings. Really nice. So they're still progressing along on the roof and still completing the other parts of the house as we go along. So that's always super exciting. Always super exciting to see stuff like that. Yep. Like I said, we finally got rid of all that big mound of dirt up here in the front. And we'll come out here. Like I said, you'll see the beautiful sunrise. Look at that sunrise. That's just awesome. It's going to be so nice here in the mornings. But, all right. Again, everybody, thanks for joining me this morning. I hope you enjoyed this little tour, a little update from the beginning to now. And we'll see you guys next week. Bye.